Hello, this is Katie Jane talking from WA, Perth, Western Australia. I just wanted to come on. I just ordered one. I think it's the G2 something. And I just had an email of Tammy welcoming me to the Froothie community. And I have to say, that's just such a beautiful thing for people to do, to reach out, to do a video, to welcome you. We don't get that sort of service very often anymore. And I just want to say from me to you, I'm so pleased to be in this group. I am very grateful for that beautiful welcome, Tammy. And I'm so excited to get my Froothie because I blend a lot. And my husband makes a smoothie every morning and his NutriBullet died. And I went, I think there might be something better out there. And here we are. I know that I've come to the right place and I look forward to the yummy recipes that I've already scanned in here and getting my beautiful machine. So thank you the company, thank you Tammy, and thank you everyone for being here. Have a beautiful day.